Welcome to A Minute with Mike. Today we're going to talk about the capping tool. Now you go to Insert and we have a capping tool here. Now in the new version this will be called Capping and Moulding. And also in the next release we're going to have a new feature in here. If you right click, one called Classic Moulding Tool. This is the one you want to play with. This will be out very shortly. If you double click, it's completely different in here now. So you can specify, we're going to jump down here, you can specify what profile you like. I'm just going to go for a standard cornice for example. Is it at the cabinet top? The top of the cabinets? Is it on the top of the wall? Is it around the floor? If you choose a floor, you can also choose the floor molding, the standard regular skirt, and you can do custom. So you can do like a chair rail or something like that. So I'm going to go the wall top on this one. I want no offset from the wall, so I have 0 offset. You can also specify in which feature you select up the top, what you can add to it. So I can do cornice only at the top of the wall, but if I go to say cabinet top, I can then choose a bulkhead and say a capping or a shadow line. You can't do both because obviously they're in the same spot, so you choose one or the other. So I'm going to turn them all off now. I'm going to go wall top. I want to do that. The other thing you can now do is go select alternate color, and you can go in here and go, I want to choose whatever color I like, and it's going to be early blue just to be something different. Cool. Now I just literally drag that around the wall, drag from there around to there. You go into 3D, and now I've got my molding around the top of there in early blue. That's been a minute. Thanks very much for watching.